to turn on autocorrect on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on autocorrect option on Gmail PC. Easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Gmail. Now go to the top right here and click on this icon and click here on the see all settings. Now on this page you will find many settings. Scroll down and here you find the autocorrect option. Now click on autocorrect on and it will be turn it on, and scroll down and click save changes. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.